Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw Cakey Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet cat, let's first start by drawing the top of the cat's head. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. Just a soft curve, about that wide. And then we're going to go ahead and draw the ears. So just your typical cat ears that come out, round off the tip. And I'm going to bring this curve down. So same thing over here. And bring it down. And bring it down to about right there because I'm kind of imagining this curve coming down to continue the head. So just imagine this curve coming through. It's going to pop out right about here. And we're just going to draw one curve. And same thing over here. There, so about the same height on both sides. Then we have one more layer to go, and this time it's going to be a much deeper curve and bigger. So one deeper curve, and same thing over here. So this is like where the cheeks are, about right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. Just curve and about the same level, and then go ahead and connect. So just going to flatten out towards the bottom. There. So we've got the top of our cake in, cupcake in, and the cat's head, right? So then from there, I'm just going to come right here, imagining this is a curve, and about right here in the center, I'll just draw this curve and draw the inside of the cat's ear. So same thing here. There. And then we're going to, let's go ahead and find the center area. So we're going to pass this curve. So say about right here in the center. I'm going to go ahead and draw the nose. So I'll just start about right here with a straight line. Kind of want to center it so that I know that the nose is in the center. So then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to draw this sprinkle nose. There. One little sprinkle. And then find the center of it, and right about here, I'm just going to bring a line down, and then we're going to curve out on both sides. And then in the center, just add a curve to open up the mouth. And if you like, you come here with a little curve for a tongue. And cap it off. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come to the sides. We're going to put the eye right here, so it's nice and wide. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and start with a circle. Just going to place it in this area right about here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. Now that we have the circles in for the eyes, let's go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And then from there, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then on the sides right here, I'm going to draw some whiskers. But everything is in a sprinkle shape. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, let me just angle out first. There we go, easier, and then round it off. Oops, sorry. My elbow slipped. And one sprinkle, and then another one right about here. And just round it off. So same thing on the other side, about the same thing right here. And another one. There. So now that we have that, we also need to draw the sprinkles on top of the head. So I'm going to start with the center one. So right about here. Nice and big. And then two on the sides at an angle. And one more. There. Okay, so it's nicely decorated now. Pop this out a little bit more. Okay, so now from there, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's come underneath the eye and say about right here, I'll just start with a little angle right there. So same thing over here, about right here. And this is kind of where the hand is going to come out of. So we're just going to draw these two angles for now. And then let's go ahead and we're going to come right here and touching the face, we're going to come out and draw the hand. So round it off and bring it right back in. So same thing here. Go up, touch the face, and bring it right back in. And then for some details on the hand, right here, it's going to be this kind of sprinkle shape again. And then 3 circles. And same thing here. There. And then let's go ahead and we're going to come out, say about right here, to finish off the cupcake. So same thing here, just angle. And then about right here, we're going to round it off and connect at the bottom with a soft curve all the way across. There. And then of course we need to draw some feet. So find your center, which is about right here. We're going to go to the left, go to the right, and we're just going to put in these little feet. And same thing here. There. And if you like, I just want to show you really quickly. You do this when you're coloring. I think it's like a darker bluish purple, but just draw in these lines for the wrapper. And same thing on this side. So you got that center line, and these are all going to angle. And one more perhaps. There. And I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Cakey Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. I really hope I helped you draw this sweet cat fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.